Today we are discussing topic is isomerism. This is the most important topic for the IIT mains and NEET purpose. So in this, what is the first of all, what is the definition of isomerism? I am giving a simple example. After discussion of an example, based on that example, we will discuss about the definition of isomerism. In that definition, example is example here. Here the two compounds are there. So in this, given these two compounds, what is the similarity for these two compounds? Just you observe carefully. What is the similarity of these two? This is a alcohol, this is a ether. Both the functional groups are different. Both compound nature will be different, but it both are a similar common point. What is the similar common point in these two? Just to observe, what is the number of carbons in this? Two carbons, 1, 2. Yes, two carbons, C2. How many hydrogens are present in these two? Here, 3 hydrogens plus 2 plus 1. Totally 6 hydrogens. 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens. Again, 1 more oxygen. Then you are observing here also 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Now, both are different chemical compounds, but the common point for these two are the composition, the chemical composition. Nothing but molecular formula is both are having the same compound, same molecular formula. Then these two compounds we are called which one? Isomers. These two are called which one? Isomers. Then we discuss about the definition of isomerism. What is the isomerism and what is the isomers? Here the two compounds are there. The chemical compounds which are having same molecular formula but show the difference in their structure or spherical arrangement or show the difference in their chemical properties or physical properties. Chemical properties and physical properties. So those are called isomers. Those are called isomers. Then this total phenomena is called isomerism. Total phenomena is called which one? Isomerism. Well, remember students, once again I repeated. Isomerism means the chemical compounds which are having similar chemical formula, a similar molecular formula, but show the difference in their structure or spherical arrangement and show the difference in their chemical and physical properties. Those are called isomers. Those are called isomers, and this total phenomena is called isomerism. Total phenomena is called isomerism. I am writing the definition. This phenomena is called isomerism. Okay, just read carefully here. The chemical compounds which are having same chemical formula or molecular formula but show the difference in their properties like physical properties or chemical properties, whatever it may be. They show the difference in their properties are called isomers, and this total phenomena is called isomerism. I will give a simple example is this one. Here the two compounds are having chemical formula is same, C2H6O. Both are having same chemical formula, but this is a alcohol functional compound, this is a ether functional group compound. So both are different. Again, their properties are different, and their structure will be also different. Both are different, completely different. So these are called which one? Isomers. Okay, now, and this total phenomena is called which one? Isomerism. It's clear. Then we discuss about the next one, the classification of isomerism. Classification of isomerism. The isomerism is further classified into majorly two types. The mainly two types of isomerism. The isomerism is mainly divided into two types. Isomerism is mainly divided into two types. That is, first one, structural isomerism. Structural isomerism. And second one is stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. What is the definition of structural isomerism? Means the compounds are the isomers which are having same molecular formula but show the difference in their structure. They show the difference in structural different. Then those are called structural isomers. And this total phenomenon is called structural isomerism. Then here, what is the stereoisomerism? The compounds are isomers which are having the same molecular formula and same structure also. But show the difference in their spherical arrangement of atoms or groups. Spherical arrangement of atoms or groups, then those are called stereoisomers. And this total phenomena is called stereoisomerism. Then these structural isomerism means molecular formula is same, but structure is different. Spherical structural isomerism means molecular formula same and structure will be different. And these are furtherly divided into, structural isomerism is furtherly divided into chain isomers, and second one position, and third one functional group isomerism, and fourth one metamerism, and fifth one tautomerism, and next one ring chain. Ring chain isomerism. The structural isomerism is furtherly classified into these types: chain, position, functional group, metamerism, and tautomerism, and ring chain isomerism. Okay, now again, this stereoisomerism is also. What is the stereoisomerism definition? Simple definition means molecular formula is same. Then difference in spherical arrangement. Spherical arrangement is different. This is called stereoisomers. Then these are also furtherly divided into two types. That is conformational isomerism. The next one, geometrical isomerism. Conformational isomerism and geometrical isomerism. Okay, this is the major classification of isomerism in organic compounds. Then we will discuss about each and every one detailing.